everybody, welcome to ClausenWorld. I just received a package in the mail, and if you can tell by the words on the top of the tower, I got my worms in, and I am going to be placing them in their home. So let's do that. I am trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera with one hand. And I am so excited. This is my very first time actually having a worm tower in the house. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into. But I heard that if you own a cat or a dog or a bird or any other type of pet, an exotic, you can own worms, and I hope that they're still alive. I'm a little apprehensive. Let me get some gloves. They've been in the mail. I don't know how many days. I would have to check. I hope they're alive. Let's see. I don't know. I hope they're not dead. Let's see. No, they are not dead. Yes, there might be a few of them that are dead, but I see some movement. So I'm going to get them inside of, can you guys see some movement? I'm going to get them inside of their home, and hopefully they will get acclimated. Let's see. I'm just going to place them on top just like that. Hope you guys can see. Trying not to disrupt them too much. I see some movement down there, a little bit of movement. Oh, I hope they're not dead. Some of them might be dead. Some of them seem really unhappy. They seem dead. Very little movement. Some movement, but not a lot. They're very sluggish. I'm thinking I might have some dead worms. Can you guys see? Not supposed to mess with them too much. I'm gonna just leave them be and check on them after a while. But I wanted to come back and give you guys a little update because my worms came in. I put the worms in their worm bin. I do have a little bit of movement, not a lot of movement. I'm hoping that they are not dead. I hope they are just very shocked, very sad. But we'll see. We shall see. I'm gonna leave it. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to moisten the paper towel they came in just a little bit with some water. Hold that thought. Let me get some water. Sorry about that, guys. I'm doing one hand. I'm going to spray the paper towel with just a little bit of water. Just like that. And I'm going to place this paper towel on the top of the worms like that, and hopefully they will be invigorated. I don't know. I'm gonna just leave it like that for a little while and come back and check it out. But those are my worms added to my worm tower, and I will come back later. Sorry about that, guys. I will come back later and see if they have migrated down into the bucket. It is much later in the evening, and I am going to see if the worms have settled in. So let me take the top off and let's see what's going on in there. As I suspected, there are some worms that have died. I can see some remnants of some worm bodies, and the vast majority of them have migrated down into the bucket. So I'm going to poke around for just a second just to double check. Okay, I have my glove. I'm putting it on. I'm still using one hand, so please forgive me. There we go. Yep, they are moving down. As you can see right there, hopefully you guys can see that. They are trying to get away, and I'm not going to mess with them too much more today. I'm just going to leave them be. As you can see, hopefully you can see, there is some movement down in there, but there are some casualties of transit at the top. And I'm just going to leave it because I don't want to traumatize them any more than what. Oh yeah, that one's moving really, really, really slowly. He's barely alive, I guess. But yeah, I'm just trying to look and see. Yeah, there's some life. So I'm going to leave them alone. I'm not going to mess with them anymore today. I'm going to let them settle in, and hopefully they'll find their way to the food. There is coconut coir in here, so I do know that they might chomp on that, but there is food in this top bucket. So hopefully, as I move you guys up, hopefully they will find their way into the top bucket where the food is. But first, they've got to acclimate themselves in the bottom bucket. And once they do that, hopefully they will survive and find food and begin to thrive. So that is my worm tower. Thanks for watching.